As clean energy green hydrogen gas consumption grows as a power source, fuel cell manufacturers are being challenged to maintain pressure with a continuous supply of hydrogen within the fuel cell to meet the full range of operating conditions. In addition, manufacturers must also meet increased safety, efficiency, and regulatory standards while providing long cell life and reduced downtime. As an industry leader, Emerson provides a vast array of solutions designed to maintain optimum and stable pressure levels to safely maximize hydrogen usage. Our proven solutions for onboard vehicle applications provide consistent pressure and regulate the precise flow control of hydrogen to the fuel cell at all operating ranges for a variety of vehicles. At Emerson, we understand designs should be compact and lightweight, built with high power density and efficient to extend cell life. We'll work with you to maximize reliability, providing solutions that ensure stable pressure regulation, safe explosion-proof distribution, and equipment connectivity.